When working with any design package, you always need to, well, a lot of the times you have to be able to share that information with people outside the organization, as well as people who do not own the CAD software that you've got. So how does Autodesk achieve this? One of the ways is through shared views. So today what I'm going to do is to show you how we can share this model with shared views, and then also be able to get some information out like dimensions through to that shared view where they'll be able to see it. Now, if you haven't noticed while working in Inventor, at the top here we've got something called annotate, and it's available both in the part and the assembly environment. Now, in your annotate, we can dimension, put hole or thread notes in, put surface texture notes in, put welding symbols, put leader notes, and general notes as well. Now, what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to put a couple of dimensions in, and then see how we can take those dimensions and then take them across to the shared view that I'm going to be taking. Okay, so let's just go put that over there. Let's go add another one, say from there all the way to the top. And let's maybe put one from here to the other side. Putting some randoms in, and then maybe from this side, oopsie, say this side to the other side. And then let's go put a general note, or let's say put some leader text in. We're going to say, please mind, please be careful of the steps, or something like that. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so we've got that. So that is our 3D annotation over there. Now, say we want to give this a share. So what we've got is we've got the shared views that Autodesk has created. It's a website, and in your shared views, you can actually take quite a few different sort of file formats, and then take it into the shared view and then take a look at it over there. So let's first share this view over here. So I'm going to go to my shared views. Okay, it opens up a shared views panel on the right over here. Asks you to sign in with your Autodesk account. It'll only allow you to do that if you have something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shared view. What you'll notice over here is all the shared views that I've currently created and the dates they were created on. So you can see I've created quite a few on that. I'm going to go shared view 1. We have got options to hide the component names and options to hide the part properties as well. Once that's done, I'm going to click on share, and it's going to go and share it for me to that. So what it actually creates is a DWFX file, I think, and that's the one that we're going to take a look at. So once it's done, a little message will pop up at the bottom over here. One says view in browser, one says copy link. So if I wanted to send this through to someone else, I can click on copy link, it'll copy that link, and then I can go paste it and then send it to my colleague, the client, whoever. I want to actually take a look at it immediately. And what you'll notice in the browser is that it's got, you can see the annotations that I've got over there. So let's go view in browser, sorry, in the thumbnail over there. So with the browser over here, loads it up, so it's viewer.autodesk.com, and you'll see there, if you ever worked in, say, like Vault or something like that, or Design Review, it kind of looks like that. So there we go. Okay, so what it's done, it actually has brought it in on its side. With this as well, select the top over there, right click, set current view as top. Okay, so then it will put it, at least the lighting comes from the top there now. Okay, so there we go. And you can see the shadow at the bottom over there. And it's got all the dimensions that I've put in there. Now, with the shared views, we can add in additional measurements. So we can go and say, look, you didn't do this, but I want to see from that point to that point over there. You can also explode this as well as create markups. We can section it as well. So for instance, it's sectioned on the XY plane, and as you move it, you'll see how it sections it over there. I can also grab and angle the section view as well. So this is actually quite useful over here, and it sections the dimensions or annotations as well. Clear it. If we want to explode it, select that, and it's kind of got an automatic explode where I can select this, bring it up, and then it'll automatically explode up over there. So all the parts explode. Useful, not useful, you take your pick. What we can also do over here is we can take screenshots of it. A screenshot. Okay, we can download that screenshot. Then what you can also do is if we can do markups as well. So markup, it'll take a screenshot of it. You go and put in your markup. This is my first markup. Okay, and once you're done with that, you can put in your arrows. Clouds. Once you're done with that, okay, I'm just going to go and delete that. We can save it, and what it does, it saves it as a comment on the right hand side over there. So you can see there that first screenshot is over there, and the second one is over here. Okay. So we close markup. So click on it, it opens it up. So once I'm done over here, we can export the comments. We can add an additional comment and just see how it is going on over there. Okay. So here we've got our Inventor model. We're able then to put up some 3D annotations on it. Those 3D annotations are actually carried through to the shared view, which I think is super useful, as it's got all the main dimensions over there. And then once that's done, I've got my, I can do my markups, I can section, I can measure, and then I can turn it around to take a look at it with this. So all you actually need to do is send that little link that you've created to someone. They do not need to download any view or anything like that. Just need to open it up, opens up in the viewer.autodesk.com site, and you are then able to communicate fluently with your colleague. Thank you very much for watching.